Welcome. Today we will discuss proportional speed control with inner current control loop. So speed loop is the outer loop and inner current controller is in the inner loop with only speed control, which we have discussed in the previous class. There is a current overshoot is there. Current overshoot can be large during starting and certain load changes. So that is undesirable. High rise in the current is undesirable. To avoid that, current has to be limited to a permissible value. So for that there should be current controller, and within speed controller output is the reference current for the inner current control loop, and then current controller is implemented. That we will see in this block diagram. Is the comparator, reference speed ERS, then the speed is fed back and compared. Then we have the speed controller, normal controller which we discussed previously is a proportional controller like this, having transfer function characteristics like this, input output characteristics like this. With current limit control, there is a clamping of the speed control output, and output of the speed controller is the reference current, that is EIS. Then there is a comparator which compares this reference current and the actual current, and this is the current controller, which we consider a proportional current controller. So Ki is the proportional gain of the current controller. This is the converter block. So input is 3-phase AC and output is EA. So the gain of the converter is Kc, which we have discussed previously, and output of the converter is the voltage applied to the armature EAS. Then the transfer function is Km1 into 1 plus S tau m divided by 1 plus S tau m1 with applied voltage VAS. Output is IAS. Then we have another block whose gain is Km2 divided by 1 plus S tau m, and output of this block is the speed Ns. Then there is a current feedback, and for the current feedback we have a current sensor whose gain is Kr. Then for the speed sensor there is a gain Kt, taco generator gain. So this is serial we are numbering. This is figure 5, that is closed loop speed control with inner current control loop and current limit control. For this block diagram, using the inner current control loop, the transfer function IAS by EIS will start with. So we start with simplified equation 2. Equation 2 was derived in the last class using simplified equation 2, that is IAS by EIS. EI is the current reference and IA is the output current. So this is the current transfer function, which is KIC into 1 plus S tau m divided by 1 plus S tau m 2, and this is nearly equal to KIC, since tau m 2 is nearly equal to tau m. So there is a pole zero cancellation, for which the current transfer function is KIC. Neglecting the nonlinear clamping in speed controller output, diagram of figure 5. So the simplified diagram is like this. We have a comparator, reference speed is ERS, actual speed is compared with the reference speed, and speed error goes through Ks. This is the speed controller neglecting speed controller gain, neglecting the clamping. So we assume only linearity, straight line. So gain is Ks. This is the reference current EIS, and the current transfer function is KIC into 1 plus S tau m divided by 1 plus S tau m2. This is the current transfer function. Input is the reference current EIS and output is the actual current IAS. And then we have the another block whose gain is Km2 divided by 1 plus S tau m. The output of this block is the speed Ns. This is the tacho generator KT giving the speed feedback. So this is the figure 6. So in this figure, the transfer function, speed transfer function Ns by ERS. Ns is the actual speed, ERS is the reference speed. So this is the speed transfer function. This is Ks speed controller gain, Km2 this gain, and then KIC divided by 1 plus S tau m whole divided by 1 plus KT Ks Km2 into KIC whole divided by 1 plus S tau m. So this is equal to the gain K2 divided by 1 plus S tau 2, where K2 is Ks Km2 into KIC whole divided by 1 plus KT Ks Km2 into KIC, and time constant tau 2 is tau m divided by 1 plus KT Ks Km2 into KIC. For the common case of the gain product KT Ks KIC Km2 product being greater than 1, K2 is nearly equal to 1 by Kt, and because Kt is nearly equal to reciprocal of K1, so K2 is nearly equal to K1, since K1 is also 1 by Kt, and tau 2 is nearly equal to tau m divided by Kt Ks Km2 KIC. Further, the transfer function IAS by ERS is Ns by ERS into IAS by Ns. So this is Ns by ERS we have just derived. It is K2 divided by 1 plus S tau 2, and the second one is 1 plus S tau m divided by Km2. So this is equation number 4. As we are maintaining serial equation number, this is equation number 4. So this equation number 4, which we have just derived, it is not very different from equation 1, but it is true while current IA is less than the limiting value. IA is less than the limiting value. Equation 4 becomes true when current IA is less than the limiting value. If during acceleration or load changes the speed error is large such that EI the current reference is clamped at the maximum value EI hat or EI cap. The current is limited to a maximum value IA hat, that is KIC, current loop gain times EI hat, maximum value of the current reference EI. The maximum value of the current reference is EI hat. The maximum value of the corresponding maximum value of the current IA hat is the gain KIC times the maximum value of the current reference. Then the speed error is described by NS, that is IAS into Km2 divided by 1 plus S tau m, because IAS by NS by IAS is Km2 divided by 1 plus tau m, or NS is IA by S into Km2 divided by 1 plus S tau m, where IA is the change in current from its initial value to the maximum value. Sometimes a filter is required to reduce the ripple in the tacho generator output. So basically it is a first order filter. So it is if tau t is the tacho generator filter time constant, then transfer function is of the tacho generator filter combination is Kt is the tacho generator gain and divided by 1 plus S tau t. Tau t is the filter time constant. Let us denote it as HS. HS of speed loop. The resulting overall transfer function is NS by ERS. See, Ks is the speed controller gain, KIC is the current loop gain, and Km2 whole divided by 1 plus Ks, KIC, Km2 into Kt whole into 1 plus S tau t divided by 1 plus S tau m plus tau t divided by K superscript 1 plus A square into tau m tau t divided by K superscript 1. Tau t is the filter time tacho generator filter time constant, and this K superscript 1 is the constant given by 1 plus Ks speed controller gain, KIC current loop gain, Km2 that is gain of the NS by IAS, and the tacho generator gain Kt, and this is nearly equal to Ks KIC Km2 into Kt. For this transfer function, refer figure 7, and this equation number is 5. Previously we had equation number 4, this is equation number 5. Comparator speed reference ERS minus actual speed, then we have the speed controller Ks, gain is Ks, output of the speed controller is the reference current EIS, then we have the block KIC, the approximated gain, approximated transfer function of IAS by EIS, current transfer function, and IAS into Km2 divided by 1 plus S tau m is the speed Ns, and the filter has the tacho generator and the filter has the gain Kt and time constant tau t. This is the block diagram of figure 7. So the transfer function, that is the actual speed Ns by ERS, which we have derived in equation 5. We have already derived in equation 5, is of second order. Speed and current responses for a step change in speed command are shown. This is the speed response. So this is the initial value of speed, and following a step change, this is the speed response. Similarly, current response. So the initial value of current, this is the current response, this is the speed response. Next we will discuss inner current control loop. Inner current control loop with proportional integral speed controller, PI speed controller. Previously we discussed only proportional speed controller, now it is PI speed controller. So the addition of integral feedback is used to eliminate the steady state error and to reduce the forward gain. So when a PI controller is used, its transfer function Ks times 1 plus tau S by tau S. Here second is written by mistake, it should be omitted. So this transfer function Ks into 1 plus tau S by whole divided by tau S, this replaces the proportional gain Ks. So with this, the overall transfer function we can write. The overall transfer function which we write Ns by ERS, proportional gain Ks into KIC into KIC is the current transfer function Km2 whole into 1 plus S tau S divided by S tau S into 1 plus tau m S whole divided by 1 plus Kt Ks KIC Km2, Kt is the tacho generator gain, into 1 plus S tau S divided by tau S into 1 plus tau m S. So for the term Kt, Ks, KIC, Km2 greater than 1, the speed transfer function Ns by ERS is 1 by Kt into 1 plus S tau S divided by 1 plus tau s s plus tau s tau 2 square, where this time constant tau 2 is given by tau m divided by kt, tachogenerator again, speed control again ks, current transfer function kic and into km2. This is equation number 6. Equation number 6. And the transfer function current IAS by reference speed ERS is in the same manner, NS by ERS into IAS by NS. So this is 1 divided by KT into KM2 into 1 plus tau S S into 1 plus S tau M divided by 1 plus tau S S plus tau S tau 2 square. This is the transfer function current to speed. This is equation number 7. This second order transfer function, equation 6 and equation 7, give the speed and current response as shown below for a step change in difference speed. This is the speed response after a step change in speed command, and this second order system transfer function for the current gives the current response like this after a step change in speed command. So addition of integral control with the proportional control eliminates the steady state error in the speed and current, and also reduces the gain required for the speed controller. So and the responses conform to the known response for the second order system. Okay, thank you for attention.